भी हो सकता है वहाँ पे जाके बताएंगे, ताकि यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ एस्टैब्लिश हो, ताकि जो हमारे जो बच्चे हैं उनको कोई ज़रिया मिले अपना टैलेंट का यहाँ पे दिखाने के लिए और उसको आगे प्रोग्रेस करने के लिए.
For this wonderful Sopore Sports Festival, which has taken place over here in the Zaingeer area, and all the participants who have come over here, the kind of energy which was seen over here for the last 3 days is absolutely fantastic. And so many youth, both boys and girls, who are coming forward and participating in such events actually shows that where is their focus. They want to focus in sports, they want to channelize their energy, they want to look at what they can achieve in the future. I think it's a fantastic effort, and with the local administration, it will be our endeavor to help out whatever we can do for the youth to move forward, and whatever they require in terms of support, in terms of conduct of events, while the youth clubs and the sports clubs which are already been established, they need to be the front face, and that they need to start taking the responsibility now to come forward and organize such events. Our support is always there for the local citizens, for the youth to come forward so that they channelize their energy and look at developing their personalities in the right manner. Thank you. Thank you so much.
On behalf of everyone, encourage youth in various.
ये है कि आज किन खिलाड़ियों का जो किस्मत का तारा है वो चमकेगा.
आगे मत जाओ, बैठ के नीचे बैठ जाओ, बस हो गया.
ऐसी किश्ती को समंदर भी डुबा देते हैं. मिस असारिश असगर डीसी साहिबा. आमिर मीर आज के बेस्ट एथलीट हैं ज़ैंगीर के, और सेकंड का दरबार समंदर.